Morning, everybody. Hello. Good morning, guys. No, I just woke. Not really. I just woke up. I woke up kanina pa. I woke up 7 a.m. But yeah, I'm still in bed. Good morning. Who's at school? Who's at work? Who's at home right now? I can see there's a few people lang. Because I feel like most people right now are probably on their way to school or work. Good morning, everybody. Just at home resting. Finished my exam work from home. Studying. Online classes. Oh. Also, guys, I joined a campaign. And this is ito yung sticker niya. This is what I joined. The Just Shoe It. So, guys, help me win the campaign by sending these stickers above. Round out. Good morning. Sinong kumakain na dito? Who is having breakfast right now? What are you guys' breakfast? Coffee. Thanks, Beanie Dums. Pancakes. I love pancakes. Thanks, Beanie Dums. Fried egg. Hey, Ira, thank you so much for the sticker. Ooh. Thank you, Nick Del Rosario, Samanea. I'm Chris Clemente. Help me. I hope I get to win this campaign. Hopefully. No, I have no classes. I have no classes to thanks. Always Safix Samanea, then thank you. I have no classes today. Thanks, Jen. Thanks, Miko. Thanks, Nabia. MKMLP. Thanks, Ryu. Thanks, Yoshi. Thanks, Bea. Meryl. Thank you. Jules. Colette Robles. Layla Bloom. Yoshi. Thanks, guys. The Mighty Fall. Trisha Faye. Kyla0808. Thank you. Now we are. I have reached 10,000 diamonds. Thank you so much, guys. I have no classes today. And good thing wala because I don't know for those who don't know, today is the day for the Lahat Sexy bikini ball. So actually our pull-out time is 10 a.m. So as I end my life, that's when I'm gonna travel na going to the location. No, I'm not gipagaw. This is my voice in the morning. Yeah. What time does it start? I feel like it's gonna start around 7 or 8. I'm not sure. I'll still ask about it. And they have it on live stream later. It's on YouTube, so you can just search it out. Yes, lahat kami pupunta because we are all gonna perform later. Just me that no, ako yeah, ako lang nararampa. But it's not just me that's gonna be there. At least kasama ko yung girls. But yeah, I think ako lang nararampa because I'm the eldest. Thanks to you, Joseph, for the sticker. Keep sending, guys. Keep sending. Thank you, Beanie Beanie. Thank you, Ryu. Thanks, guys. We haven't actually rehearsed kung paano, like, saan pupunta, maglakad, ganun. But we have rehearsed how we're gonna um perform for later. And I think that's why we didn't get to rehearse for, like, the fashion show or something. Kasi, wala. Busy lahat mga artists yata or ganun. And, kaya na yan. Kaya na yan for today. Thanks, Tita Bloom. Thanks, Bloom Chess. Thanks, AJ Alpha. Thanks, Calls. Thanks, Rosa Morate. Aunt Rachel Melon. Thank you. Now we are 20K. Thanks. Sino nagluluto dito? Yes, I will be representing Beanie later. Since ako lang mag-isa yung marampa. Actually at first, when I first heard the bikini ball, parang wait lang, how does that work? Because you divide in a ball, usually people wear gowns, suits, and then when they said bikini ball, and I'm a part of it. So what's that? We're gonna have dinner while wearing bikinis? I don't know how it's gonna work, but now I get it. Like, parang ano siya. It's an event where may konti performance kami. Mag-perform kami mamaya just a bit, and then between may rarampa. I'm actually excited because it's been a while. The last time I walked on the runway, and I really miss it a lot. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for those who are excited for me. Yes, there's gonna be a live for it. I'm not sure what time exactly. Probably 8 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, or 7. Good morning, everybody. For those who just joined my podcast. Wow. Yeah. Did I eat breakfast? No. I don't usually eat breakfast. I'm mostly eat brunch or lunch. Yeah. And especially for now, I think I don't wanna I'll eat later. I don't wanna be too bloated. And actually, hindi ko pa alam anong susuotin ko. So, yeah. I don't know if it's very revealing, if it's um kind of conservative. Is it like two-piece? Is it one-piece? Is it a dress? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, I will see. Ati Aika's gonna dress me up, so it's gonna be a surprise for me later, and I'll wear whatever she gives me. Yeah, surprise. Kayo, anong hula niyo na anong susuotin ko? The girls nga, they're very curious what I'm gonna wear. If it's am I gonna wear a bikini? If ever, I'm gonna wear one piece, two piece, what color kaya? Like, How well, like, what's the design? How skimpy is it? How what's the cut? Or is it, I know, I don't know. Yeah. Oh my god, I haven't worn a bikini. No, I have worn but a bikini out in public. The first time I wore a bikini was when I joined a pageant, and then I'm not really into wearing bikinis before, and I nearly did not want to join the pageant that I joined where we had to wear bikini because kasi ayoko mag-bikini. Pero they were like, girl, if you don't wear to join most of the pageants because most pageants have a bikini portion, or swimsuit competition. And I was like, okay, makes sense. You're right. And then, ayun, first time I wore a bikini ever was inside the mall because the competition was inside the mall. And then, bam, ang daming mga passerbys, mga nanood. Tapos, naka-swimsuit sa mall, di ba? And then, yeah, because like when I swim, example with friends, I haven't worn two-piece, no swimsuit, but with friends. I have worn two-piece, but with family because I feel like if I'm with my family, I feel protected. I feel safe. So yeah. And actually, I remember the first time I got to wear two-piece. That was kahit I'm with my family, parang nailang pa rin ako kasi I'm really not used to it. If ever I swim, I wear, let's say, sure, two-piece, but then the bottoms are, I wear shorts. Yeah. Or if not two-piece, I wear one-piece, which is what I mostly wear all the time. Because I feel like, for me, thanks, Theo Joseph, for the sticker. Because for me, you One Piece, I find it very classy. So, yeah. Thanks, Jen. Okay, I will show myself. I will show myself. Sige, let's not aim for diamonds this time. I'll show myself pag 8:25. Yeah, 8:25. Iba ngayon. Or gusto nyo, yung goal is yung viewers or yung likes? Let's do time. What's up? Anong nasa work? I'm curious. Like, anong mga ginagawa niyo na ngayon? If you're at work, why are you even watching my live? You should be at work. Oh, wow, and me on the way to the airport. I wish it was me. Oh, you're taking your lunch break? Where are you from? Hi, Ate Miley. It's been a while. Hi, Ate Miley. Reviewing for an online quiz later. Bakit suspended yung class? Mga night person nagiging morning person because oh, due to rain. Saan po ako? Nasa condo ko po. I will show myself. Podcast era po kasi ako, that's why. I will show myself 8:25. Yeah. Oh! Feeling ko kaya naka-join si Ate Miley ngayon because is it 7 p.m. there, Ate Miley? Diba? 7 p.m.? Kabila, yeah. Sino dito ang late na sa work or school na ang pasok ay 8 a.m.? Agoy, Agoy ang dami. On the way. Uwian na? Paano uwian na? Ala, sinisi ang traffic. Galing school. Literally just woke up. Ate Angie. Walang pasok. Gutom na. 10 pa classes online. Walang late pag nag-live si Aya. Wow. Good luck sa quiz po. Kumu first period. Live ko yung first period niya sa school. Is that it? That's why, gising na kayo ngayon. Sino dito nasa college na? Oh, most people here are college students. Sino dito yung graduating? Ayun, graduating this time hopefully. Wow, daming graduating. Okay. Say present if I call your name. Jules, Bloom Ladybug, Trisha Faith, Samanea. Attendance. Nick Del Rosario. O Beanie Dams, ba't late ka? Yoshi, bakit sinisisi mo na naman yung traffic? Dapat alam mo na yan, traffic lagi. Ba't late ka ngayon? O Katrina. Where's Katrina by the way? Agoy, absent. 18 na yung absent. Papasok pa ba to? Estudyante pa ba to? O Carbs, why are you just arriving now lang? Ha? Anong nasiraan ng ano? Ay sus, anong nasiraan yung kotse? Hindi ka nga nagkokotse. Naglalakad ka nga lang eh. Nandun lang yung bahay nyo. Oh, si Miss Bloom Jess. Okay, hello. Perfect attendance. Oh, Emmy, ano ba yan? Late ka na nga. May dala ka pang may dala ka pang pagkain. Alam mo naman, bawal kumain dito sa loob, ha? Ba't ganon? At least dinalhan mo na lang na ako ng wala man lang akong coffee. Ba yan? Anong checkpoint? Walang checkpoint ngayon. O, Aurelia. Anong on the way? Wag na. Wag ka nang pumasok. Absent na kita. Walang grace period. Sabi din ni Angie. Anong kape gusto ko? Yung ano lang, yung actually hindi ako nagkakape na guys. Mas gusto ko nga ice cream kaysa kape. I can never say no to ice cream. Hala? Ate Miley, did you send something? Kasi nagta-thank you yung mga tao. And we currently have 127,000 diamonds. Thank you po. Thank you din, Ate Angie. Oh, si Angie, ito. Nagsasend ng stickers kasi laging late. Akala niya makakapag-compensate yung mga stickers na yan sa mga late niya. Pero sige lang, keep sending. Oh, sa mga absent dyan, alam nyo na, Yamashita na. O hindi, ibabagsak ko kayo. Wala na. Ang sabi niyo na sa Acerville. Sabi ko 8:25 PM. Sino nagsabing AM? Ay, 25 PM. Sino nagsabi AM, ha? Ito mga to pala desisyon din. Wait lang. CR break muna, guys. Ulit, kanina pa ako dito, 8 AM exactly. Lahat absent. Sige.
Uy, ba't nagtsitsismisan kayo? Umalis lang ako. Eto naman, oh. Okay, dahil dyan, surprise quiz, 1 to 80. 1 to 80. 1-8. Kasyahin nyo yan. O hindi kasya, bagsak agad. 'I'm muted. I'm sorry. Kanina pa ako gising, but it's just that I was just in bed. I finished taking a bath na. There's still kind of thanks, Mick Ooh, for the stickers. Again, help you with the campaign by sending the stickers above. And the campaign will end May 7th, but I can only do a live stream for this week, like which is now lang. So, happy win. Thank you, everybody. Someone excited. Thank you, Denise, Kea. Guys, I have a question. What are your morning routines? Like before you head to school or work, like when you wake up, okay? Wake up and then what? What's the first thing you do? Ayun. What's the very first thing you guys do? Do you scroll muna on social media? Do you check your emails? Do you drink water? Do you eat? Yung aso ko yung gigising sa akin or si Lingling. Si Ling nagigising ako I wake up to Lingling's scratches and bites. Yung aso ko naman before, which is in Cebu, I wake up to her kisses. Diba? The contrast. I miss it actually. Yung, I miss waking up to kisses, aka my doggy's kisses. I miss it. Makes me feel love waking up to those. And I remember before, kasi yung dog ko, they would sleep by my side. Like literally, example, this is my dog. They're like here lang, tapos para silang baby, nakaganon. Yeah. And then they would, scoot over their, parang their head, and then ginaganon nila. Like, they really wanna put it near my face. Ang cute. Kasi gumagano sila. Yeah. Sometimes they transfer and then they lay on my chest. But most of the time they're here. Tapos when they wake up with kissing me. Ganun. Hindi, kasi they're very chill naman. Yeah. They're very chill and they like cuddles. I love cuddles so much. I miss having my dogs around. Or Lingling, kahit kinakagat niya ako. But you know, just having... Sometimes ito na lang inaano ko guys. Like, naisip na ganito ako. May ganun ako. This is my ano na lang. Kunwari, aso. My little slothy. So cute. What should I name him, guys? What even not peace sign? What do you think is a good name for Mr. Slothy? Sid, I like that. Ano ba yan? Whitey. Naman sa dogs. Lay, Robert. Whitey. Brown naman siya. Koa, that's cute. That's cute. Slothy Boo. Rodrigo. This is a boy. Jax. Bin. Milo. Cardo. Boy Boy. Bum Bum. Wako Wako. Carlito. Banjo. Checo. Peace Kit. Ano kaya? What should I name him? Benito. Do you feel Benito? Bonita pala. Burrito. Namiss ko si Ling. Ginaganto ko lang siya siguro. Tapos, ganun na siya. I miss having Ling by my side. And, Ling na may anger issues. You know, guys, before gusto ko talaga yung name ng Lucas. Like, may, yun yung, ano, isa sa gusto ko na in-name. Not kay Ling yata. I think, basta Lucas. I don't know, it just stuck to me for a period of time. Lucas. Ooh, Luca! I like Luca. Luca na lang. Luca. Naluluka ako sa'yo. Luca. Luca with a C or I think K. Luca. Luca. Yeah, gumagalaw to. Minsan nag-wink nga eh. Minsan nakatingin lang kami, tapos nag-wink siya. Yeah. Occasionally, nagsasalita pag tulog. Pero okay lang. It's normal. Normal. No, it doesn't know how to dance. Just rap. Pag mga 3 a.m. Gaganon siya. So yeah. Hi, Chibi Cat, the cousin of Ling Ling. Thank you for sending me stickers. And good morning. Now we currently have 159,000. Thanks, Aira, for the stickers. Thanks, Vidams. Wow, thank you. Times 45 and counting. Wow, thank you, Vidams. Okay, I have to get ready because I have to leave here by 9:30. So, wait, let me check what I have to bring now. I'm good. I'm all good, Nicola. What should I wear going there? Well, I'm gonna change naman agad. So, I guess I'll wear a dress na lang kaya para isang suotan. And, ooh, I have to cut my nails. My nails are okay though. No, I have to cut it because they're not in the same length. Or just trim them. Hi, Tita Bloom. Thank you so much. Hi, Ate Angie. Thank you for the stickers. Thank you, Wendy Papardo. You know what? I'm gonna get up. Then I am gonna prepare. Uh, I'm gonna wear a dress. Oh, it's not super sunny today. Help me pick out a dress, guys. What color? This is what I'm wearing now. Look at this. It's so cute. My slippers. Yeah. Ting ting. Ay. So cute. Oh. Yeah, blur. It's Spotify. Ay, may tinuruan kami ni Coach Adam ng footworks. It's so hard. May ganon. Tapos, ano yan? May ganon. Basta, it's hard. But, yeah. It's my wardrobe. I think you guys have seen it. So, those are all mga jackets, long sleeves, coats, blazers, whatever. Those are pants, dresses, and then that's my uniform. Yeah, my uniform. It's here. And guys, they look ganto, pero actually per hanger is about 5 items. So that's why naka-double siya because ang bigat niya. Like, look at this. It's naka-layer. Right? Yep, naka-layer. Yeah, so it's like per ano is 5 item estimated. So parang 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, blah, blah, blah. And here then, like this one, I had it segregated. So ito mga belts and scarves and whatever on this side. This one naman, this one mga denims ko na mga black. This one pure white. And then I have a denim like this one. I'm gonna put it there. And I mix it with ganito. Yeah, I need walk-in closet. Pero wala. Soon, that's my dream. I want to have a very, very nice kitchen. Kitchen is my priority because I just being around the kitchen, like nung sa Pini house, I just like staying sa kitchen and chilling. And then, ayun, oh my god, blur. So, ito, denims ko. These are the darker colored ones, and then light colored are here. For my dresses, the dresses here are mga colored. These here are pure black, and then here pure white. What should I wear? What should I wear? And then here is pure browns and neutral colored, and then my uniform. That's it. Yeah. What should I wear? Do I repeat outfits pag my TV guestings? I guess depends. Like example, if I wore this specific dress, and then it's very obvious na that's what I wore to a specific guesting, that I'm not gonna wear it again. Maybe example, if I wear pants so I can reuse it, ganon. Yeah, mix and match. Should I wear? Okay, I'll wear black. Let's pick out what are nice. Ugh. I mean, syempre di makita, di ba? Switch camera na lang. Switch to me. Okay. What should I wear? What should I wear? Tumblr. Well, let's take this out. Okay. Okay, what should I wear? Man. I have my satin dress, the dress I wore Singapore, this one. Sparkly dress I wore when I went out with my. Oh, this one na lang. Because it's so hot. And this one is halter. Ito yung suot ni Stacy sa Showtime before. I don't know if may nakapansin. It's actually my dress. And fun fact, most of the dresses that the girls wear, example pag may events or birthday, they're actually all from me. Kasi I am the person who has so many dresses. But now I haven't been buying a lot. I haven't been shopping on that. Because I have to be financially mature now that I'm living alone. So I don't shop as much anymore. I mean, I don't really shop a lot. I only shop when I need to. Like example, nung US kami. So I don't have winter stuff.
winter clothes. So I shopped. I bought clothes. And ako din kasi, when I shop, I shop. Like, I buy. That's why I don't always buy. Because when I do, well, bam. But it's my hard-earned money, man. And it's a need. Kasi, I don't wanna freeze sa States. That time we went there. So I really had to buy. And ang mahal pa naman ng winter clothes. Because jackets and all. Okay, gonna put this back. Nung nasa beanie house ako, you know what my first routine is? First thing that I would do, I would just lay in bed and stare at the ceiling. Literally just stare at the ceiling, contemplate about my life decision, about my life. Is this what I'm gonna do for today? How am I gonna achieve or even like survive today? Same. The girls know that. If you ask the girls, they will respond, yes. What she's saying is true. As in, like, not gonna. Yep. Ano. Parang kailangan ko magganon muna and give a very big and deep inhale and exhale for me to start my day. Yeah. Let's take it. And these are all my white and cream colored pants. But yeah, I do admit I have so much clothes. I used to think, well, or I think, no, okay, more than enough, I would say. Kasi, that's why I have so much clothes. Kasi ano din eh, yun nga, if my guesting kami, at least ready. And, ano, at least ready ako. And I don't have to buy agad for last minute. Wait, let me drink water muna. Look guys, I have a parsley plant. Look, I bought it sa grocery store. Gonna linis muna. I'll play some songs to kickstart my mood. But wait lang. Hello, 241 viewers. I hope you are not at work or school, that you're paying attention to your teachers or to your boss right now, because you should be. Ako ang inyong boss. scotch more. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna start booking on 9:15 because I don't know how far the place is. For sure. Buti, may makeup artist kami. For my makeup today, si Ate Tere, yung magpa-makeup sa akin. Because sometimes, pag may ganap kami, we have to do our own makeup and sometimes hair din. And then, yeah, early ng call time tapos kailangan meet na. Okay, so, wait, I'll drink water. Yeah. Okay, I'll drink Yakult para every day, okay. Guys, you know how I drink Yakult? I used to peel this, pero para mainom ko na agad, I just I love Yakult so much. I just bought two na ganito the other day. And but you're supposed to drink one lang. I drink two or three in a day, or sometimes four. Okay, I have to buy every time I do groceries. I have to buy two ganon kasi I love Yakult. Yeah. I don't know why you can only drink one. It's not possible. A lot of people drink it whole. Ngayon tatlo na lang natira. Kakabili as in kakabili ko lang. Okay, what am I gonna do? I will say I'll change. I'll change muna. And then I have to go to the restroom. So I'll turn off my camera and turn off the audio for a while. Okay, bye.
I am done. What is everybody talking about? I have changed for the better. Okay. I've changed. This is my outfit. Well, pagkarating dun, makeup, and then hair, and then changed din naman. So, yeah. Where's my ano? My clip. Let's do a clip. It's done. Now, what shoes should I? Wait, I noticed. Ano? Let's prepare my bag muna. My bag. Let's put my camera. Okay. Firm. Prepare my bag with me. My baon always. So have it. Bring water. Fill this up. Mm, yeah, 20 pesos. Yay. You know, guys, I don't bring cash. Yun na yung cash ko. A bunch of coins. Not my, what do you call this? Where you put all your cards? Wallet card? Is that it? Okay. Oh, what should I wear going there? Heels. I'll wear heels. My regular clear heels. I should get one. A new one. It's worn out now. I'll get makeup just in case before you touch whatever. Or should I? Should I? I mean, my makeup artist kami. And I trust my makeup artist. But may times din kasi na ano, you don't get to, hindi kami na-retouch. Wait, I want to see what's doing. Okay. I'll just bring it in. It's 9:06. I have to start booking around 9:15. It's near doon naman. I think so. Not sure. But my power bank. This one, my safety kit. It looks small, but everything is here. Everything. I have a sewing kit. I have sewing kit. I have my pads like for period, and then I even have extra undies here. I have eto, yun.
nail cutter. I have tissue, wet tissue, mask. I have ganito din. Someone gave this to me. Ano, if you have men's, tapos it's so nice. It's so handy. I like it. Where can you buy this? I need this. I even have this. Like if ma-stain yung ano mo, if may leak, may stain, well, it's not really useful na kasi I have modest. But yeah, just in case lang, you stain from ano, um, coffee or whatever. Yeah, I have toothbrush. I have toothpaste. I even have razor. I have what do I have here? I have a lot of stuff here. Yeah, I have everything here. Diba? Doraemon. Everything fits here. As in, kasha pa nga eh. Like, tell me something na ano, pwede pang malagay dito. I bet na I can fit it here. Yeah, I feel like I can put medicine here. Like here, oh. Diba? And what I like about my pouch is that, ano, parang medyo ano siya, tawag dito, um, stretchy. Yeah. Diba? It's so compact. Who would have thought? As in my friend ako na parang, yung classmate ko, she was like, oh no, I need to sew my skirt. I was like, girl, I got you. I have a sewing kit. Tapos sabi niya, what? Huh? I have it all in here. So, if feeling ko medyo alangan yung day ko, like, I feel like, oh, today I might have something emergency, not just period related, but I don't know. If I'm not just sure about something, I bring them just in case. My keys. I'm gonna bring this contact lens case because I feel like I'm gonna wear contact lens. My snack. Just my go to snack. Seaweed. And because it's light, I don't wanna eat so much. I don't wanna be bloated for later. Masks. Extra mask. Just in case one breaks. Have it here. Oh my god! I almost forgot. Boots. Wait, what boots am I gonna? Okay, I have to bring boots pala. So, I feel like hindi kasi kasha dito. I'm gonna change to a different bag. Like the Raymond bag. Oh yeah, because I want to bring my iPad just in case. Yeah. This is my bag. Oops. Me and Colette have the same bag. She bought same sa akin. Wait lang. Oh, got boots. Okay. So have these. Oh, alam niyo na, may pa-teaser na. Spoiler alert. We're gonna wear pink boots. Go. I'll just brush my teeth after this. Perfume. No, doon ako mag-perfume. Para fresh. And then I'm on my way. Actually, parang ano nga eh, yung call time namin is 11 or something. Hindi pa ako yung unang makeup. But let's just go there and be chill natin. Okay, Casper, I put my boots first. Boots. Garments. You know what? No joke. Kasha dito sa ling. I actually bought this because I wanted to smuggle Ling in here because bawal yung ano pets here. But well, at least I get to use it for work. And ang dami kasha. I have perfume. And another perfume. Where is it? Where is it? Ah. Kasi yung isa is my glitter, so I'll just bring both just in case. I have my oil control film in case maging oily. Gosh, I put it outside. I have my shades. I'm gonna wear it. Also, I have to put this one. My iPad. Yeah, my iPad. I'll bring my iPad. And then charger, and then brush my teeth, and then I'm done. Oh, keys, of course. Keys, AirPods, some. Put them outside for accessible. Okay. Now all I have to do is wait long. Arrange a bit. And I'll book. Yes, it's 9:15 now. What should I get? Oh, fill my. Actually, should I bring this down? Put water. Hindi ko dadalhin. Grabe naman. Okay. Charger. Yes. Dami ko dala. Bag is all complete. I'll wear heels for today. Oh wait, I'll brush my teeth. I'll book na kayo over for my teeth kasi feeling ko hindi ako makakabook agad. And if ever I get to book, ano pa siya, so may allowance of minutes. So, after I brush my teeth, meron na, and then I go down. I'll fill this up with water now. Okay, or wag na magsipilyo. Joke. Gotta happen. Like, I'll book muna. Because after this, I'm done. Okay, I brush my teeth real quick. Ah. This is the first time that you guys are gonna see me brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I have to go down now. And, oh no, hindi pa pala. I have 8 minutes. But I gotta go down. I have to go now because it's there. That's where my mask. I'm done. Goodbye. There will be no signal. But because I'm going down. Okay lang, kasi hindi naman we're mostly gonna be indoors, so I won't get to use my we don't have umbrella. And I'm not gonna bring it. It's okay, it's fine. Kasi I'll be indoors most of the time for makeup, hair and makeup. I'll end my live 9:30. I still have a couple more minutes, but well, kasi bibiyahe, so I'm gonna turn it off, and maybe I'll just respond to you guys. I'll just chat. I'm looking for the elevator. Ang tagal. Sira yung isa. I hope you guys have a great day too, guys. Thanks sa mga nagsend ng stickers. Ayun, so go, be bad. Bye, guys.